Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to check your train status on Amtrak online. Open the website amtrak.com. Then on the upper right part of the page, you will see an option that says Train Status. Click on Train Status. Now, select first how you wish to search by. You could search either by station or train number. If you selected station, enter the from and a destination. Then select the departure date. But if you select search by train number, enter the train number, station, and the departure date. After that, click on Check Status. That's how to check your train status on Amtrak online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.